Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can install iOS 17 developer beta on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. First of all, open your Safari browser in your iPhone and go to this website candlecode.com. So this is the first method. Here you can get iPad beta and iPhone beta. So simply just click on it and scroll down and click on install. So once you have clicked on install, you will get the developer beta profile. But if you don't want to download the profile, then the next method is go to your iPhone settings, click on general, click on software update section, and here you will see beta update. Click on it and select the iPhone iOS 17 developer beta, and this time you will have this iOS 17 developer beta. Simply click on download and install, enter your iPhone passcode, and the iOS 17 developer beta will start downloading. Make sure that you have 15 GB free in your iPhone to download iOS 17 developer beta. So this is how you can install the new developer beta in your iPhone or iPad. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.